Queenscliffe HUB building site was quiet at the start of August while the builders were waiting for the arrival of the external stairs. The library staff have been putting books on shelves and the museum volunteers have been unpacking the collection after 18 months in storage. Signwriters have installed the graphics for the museum in the exhibition space. On the 19th of August, the stairs arrived at last and work began to lift them high over the fig tree and into place. It took 3 days to complete the balustrade on the stairs and the opening windows of the breezeway. At the same time, the long-awaited custom-made black-butt doors for the auditorium arrived on site and the work to install them began. The painters returned on site to put a urethane coating on the doors, which brings out the magnificent grain. The cabinet makers were on site on the 24th of August to complete the joinery installation. The hub signage was installed for the library, the Visitor Information Centre and the museum. When will the hub be finished and opened? There are just a few more things for the builder to do for compliance, so again, we have to wait for an announcement from Council. The last episode of Building the Queenscliffe HUB will report on the finished building and the opening ceremony. The Queenscliffe Historical Museum's YouTube channel will continue to make historical videos, so subscribe and click the bell symbol so you are notified when they are posted. Thank you for watching.